guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys know what time it is when I'm sitting right here. It is unboxing time. I'm doing an unboxing from August. I know that I know it's September and I should have done this before, but I was waiting for some more stuff so I could show you guys. Some things been a little bit delayed in the mail, but that's okay, we got it. So I'm really excited. I have everything from swimwear, clothing, jewelry, skincare, makeup, hair products, like you name it, I've got it. I've been trying a lot of new stuff lately. I always try to switch things up. I get really bored really easily, so I like try different stuff with my hair, with my makeup, the whole nine. So I feel like it's perfect time to do this unboxing. Just jump right ahead into it. First item I'm going to be showing you guys is from Shein, because I just have one from them that I wanted to show you guys, because I'm doing a full in-depth Shein bikini haul. These are some really cute ones that I have found on Shein that were super affordable and really flattering for the body, for anyone, any body type, all that. But I'm going to show you guys this one so you guys can have a little sneak peek for the next video. Let's go ahead and try this one on. Okay, so here is the bathing suit. How gorgeous is this? This brown with white Hawaiian. Normally when you see Hawaiian pattern bathing suits, like that floral kind of pattern, it's normally really bright colors, but I love that they kept it neutral with this one. And it is a thong in the back, so it is super sexy, but it's still really cute. I'm obsessed with it, and it fits so comfortably. I got a size small, and I will say Shein tends to run a little bit big in their bathing suits, but this one definitely fits true to size. If you are a bit bigger than me, go up. If you're smaller than me, go down, but I love this bathing suit. It honestly is a little bit like, I don't know, I feel like they're really stepping it up on their swimwear. Every time I go on and I look, they always have something new and different, so I'm obsessed with this. Make sure you check out my Shein swimwear haul. That's going up too this week, so hopefully you guys like that as well. As you can see, there's really nice detailing, the pattern here. It fits the boobs nice, it fits, the bottom fits really nice. You could put it high or you could put it low, whatever you like. I prefer it up here, but whatever you want to do. These are the black sweatpants, pretty much the same style, just black with like some gray on it. Also, for you wondering what size I got a size medium and everything, and then the top I got a size small. But I like my pants, my sweatpants especially, to be oversized. Hoodie, oh yeah. Oh yes, I found my new hoodie and sweatpant website. I am obsessed, and this is what the back looks like. And they also have like so many different styles. Like this is like the chunky writing, but they have ones like that are so different. They have like different series, which are different drops. So they all have different style, but I'm so happy. I love a sweatshirt. I love a sweatshirt. Like, you guys don't understand how happy this makes me. And it's like, it's thick, but it's not rough. Like, I don't know how to explain it. And I love that it doesn't have the strings here. It gives more like that modern vibe. Oh yeah. Go to the airport. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm obsessed with these kind of long sleeves. Like I was saying, they're like really tight, and they are like the 90s style long sleeves. Like my mom used to have a lot of these growing up, and I always loved them. So this is just such a great airport fit, great lounging around, especially if you live somewhere that's pretty cold or like about to get cold. But I love being fully covered whenever I go to the airport. I rarely wear shorts to the airport. I'm always in something long. So I love stuff like this because you don't have to wear so many layers either. So this is definitely a must. They also have this in literally every single color you can think of. Like, I wanted the yellow one, but they didn't have my size. But they have yellow, pink, blue, green, red, white, black, gray. Like, they literally have it in everything, but I love this. It's pretty neutral. I could throw on like those sneakers I showed you guys earlier. You could just really wear this with anything. And also this top looks really cute with pants or skirts, jeans, like literally you name it. So it's definitely more like that casual side of clothing, but I'm so in love with this. I'm so happy that I got it. Okay, next is this little garage clothing top and bottom. I've been showing you guys this a lot because I've been wearing it a lot. Like, it is so comfortable. These sweatpant shorts, they're really like short and really comfortable. I wore them like every day when I was in Nashville. And then I have this plain navy blue long sleeve. What I'm really loving about a lot of these companies is that they're bringing back that like a lot of the clothes from the 90s. Like my mom had so much of this growing up, and then like they just stopped making it, but I'm so happy that they're bringing it back because it's literally timeless pieces and they're so plain and so simple. And then I also like rolled this up at one point for a few outfits, and I just like did it as a crop top. Like just so comfortable. I have a clothing haul for them on my channel. It's in the national vlog. It's under garage clothing, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. And then everything's linked on my LTK, so if you guys are not sure, definitely go on there and look at all the stuff that I put all my outfits on there, so definitely check this stuff out. Okay, next is this little set from Petal and Pup. I have another dress I'm gonna show you guys from them, but I thought this was so adorable. I loved how thin the straps were here, and it comes like this, and then it comes open, and you can wear this shirt with really any other pants as well, or shorts, which is why I honestly wanted to get it. But the pants are just a plus. They're these silky black pants. They look really nice. Here's the next dress from Petal and Pup. How cute and like flowy and perfect for a hot day is this little dress. I'm obsessed with it. It is so cute. You could wear this honestly to anything, especially if you're gonna go run errands, because it is so loose and comfortable, or if you're just gonna have like family over, just like hang out at the house. Like, it's very loose. It's not like fitting to the body that time of the month. This is like the perfect dress for it. It's so soft. The material is loose. You don't have to worry about your stomach being bloated. It's so nice. So definitely check it out. I got a size small in everything that I order from them. And don't forget, I have a code, so click the link down below. Okay, so now let's go into hair and makeup stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I have been using. Also got this little makeup bag off Shein, and I'm obsessed with it. I use this to travel. I've been using it now like for just every day. I put all like my brushes, my skincare, and the makeup that I wear on a daily basis in here, and I still have a lot of room. And then I also bought this one, and I put more stuff in here. So one product, if you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, I talked about was this Drunk Elephant Glow Drops. By the way, none of this is sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, but I figured I would just show you guys because this is what I've really been liking. So I put this on underneath my makeup, and literally you don't even need to put any more makeup on, but obviously like for recording and stuff I have to. But this is literally game changer in your makeup. If you like glowy skin, definitely get this. It's the Be Goldie Bright Drops. I got it from Sephora. I'll link it down below. I'm linking everything down below. This lip gloss, you guys know, it's my favorite lip gloss. I like this a lot. I like the Rhode one too, but this is easier to get if you just go to Sephora. Makeup by Mario concealer. I'm very picky with my concealer. I have really dry skin. I tend to crease a lot, and this is actually really amazing. I like it a lot. I mixed it with my Kosas one and love it. You can also just wear it on its own, it's fine. But I switch between this and the Kosas. Kosas is still my number one, but this is definitely goes number two. So something that I have been doing that I absolutely love is this silk bonnet. I don't know why I've never ever had worn this before. I have long, thick hair. It gets knotted in 2 seconds. Even if I put, like underneath it gets super knotted, like when I'm sleeping. Even if I braid it, no matter what, anything, I'm kind of a restless sleeper, so I like tend to knot up a lot in the back of my hair. So once I bought this, I got this on Amazon. I literally put it on every night, and I put it on when I go in the shower, when I'm getting ready, because it just keeps my hair out of my face. But to sleep, I cannot sleep without this. This is seriously so good. It doesn't knot my hair. My hair comes out still looking nice, especially if I curl it or whatever. It looks still really good. I don't have to like redo it the next day. So definitely, if you're not using a silk bonnet, get one. I know a lot of people use silk pillows. I do as well, but with this bonnet, you don't even have to buy a silk pillow. This is already on your head, so super good for your hair. Obviously, the silk pillow is good for your skin as well, but this is honestly like game changer. I recently got a package from Fable and Maine. I think that's how you say it. Guys, I've been using, the shampoo and conditioner aren't in here right now because that's what I've been washing my hair with every single time I wash my hair, and it is so good. It doesn't leave your hair feeling heavy. It smells really nice. It doesn't have too strong of a smell, and it's so amazing. They also sent me their Detangler leave-in conditioner, which is game changer for this long ass hair. Also, their Wild Ginger Purifying Scrub. Scrub your roots with this. The Soothing Serum, another amazing thing. Their hair oil, I'm big hair oil girl. I love hair oil. I use the K18 one all the time, but when that one's gonna be like almost done, I'm gonna switch to this one. And then this is a hair mask. And then as far as jewelry, I recently got this jewelry from N-U-R. It's a San Francisco based jewelry company, and they were kind enough to send me some items. So I got these earrings. I'm not sure where I put the other one. I think I wore them already and I don't know where I put it, but those are really beautiful. And then I got this ring, which you guys know I never take off my rings, so I always love adding some chunky colored ones when I go out. If I have like a solid outfit on, like your jewelry always makes an outfit. Like jewelry, bag, shoes, like that can make or break an outfit, I swear to you. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys some new sneakers that I recently got. Oh my gosh, guys, okay, you guys know I was a big Dunk girl. Now, not anymore. I just don't find them to be that cute. I wear them more for the gym now because they're surprisingly really comfortable for the gym. I'll still wear them because that's like the only thing that I have, because I literally bought them in almost every color because they're comfortable. They're a nice shoe. But after getting these, guys, I have never put on a shoe that is so comfortable in my life. Also, they're so narrow and thin, and what I love most about these is that, okay, you guys know how I feel about sneakers and dresses. Ugh, so ugly to me. I do not like how that looks. I think it looks so bad. I think it ruins the outfit, especially Dunks. Like, I don't like it. It's like one rule in my closet is that you do not wear that together, right? But if you have a short little black dress and you throw these on, it actually looks cute. Like, because these are thin. They're thin and narrow. They're not chunky. So I think that these look really cute with little tiny dresses. Or like, personally, I don't think a Dunk looks good with dresses or skirts. I think it kind of ruins the outfit, like I said. But these are so like cute tennis vibes. So like these look really good with those kind of outfits. With jeans, like baggy jeans. You guys know I always wear baggy jeans. I'm really never in tight jeans. These with some loose pants, so cute. Even cargos, they're really universal shoe. A must have, like I'm telling you, so good. I got these on Goat. I'll link it down below too so you guys can get them. Okay guys, this is it for the unboxing of August. Hopefully you guys liked it. I am obsessed with everything I got. I've been using it all month. I know it's September, but that was for everything that I got in August. There'll be another September unboxing at the end of the month. Guys, I'm telling you, I do not spend a lot of money on things, and I'm still able to find pieces that are really cute. It's not all about how much money you spend on items. But hopefully you guys liked everything in this try and haul and this unboxing video. Codes for things, normally it's like TIANA 15, TIANA 10. You guys can try everything, but I'll link everything down below with all my codes, all the links, everything there. Love, love, love everything on here. I've been using everything. So pleased with everything. So check it out. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys real soon. Make sure you follow me on all social medias. I post daily on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.